old. Wow. Can't even remember that far, right? A lot of us can't. It's a long time. It's almost 30 years for me, right? But I am so grateful that the Lord allowed me to have you, Junior. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I'm so grateful, so thankful to God for your life, for your accomplishments, for your family, your wife, your daughter, your mother-in-law. I love Lisa. And John, I know he's watching over us. Thank you. Thank you, Junior, for allowing God to use you. You truly are a miracle. You're my child of promise. When the devil said no, your sins are too big, you had too many abortions, you no longer are going to have a child. God opened up my wombs and he forgave me and he gave me you. You truly are my child of promise. And I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you joy, peace, love, healing, connection, restoration. And more than anything, I wish that you make a decision to serve God wholeheartedly and that you answer his call for your life. Get grounded, get centered, get quiet, and ask him. You've done a lot of things and I'm very proud of you. You retired before I did at 28. Oh my gosh, how do you do that? I want to grow up and be like you, but very, very grateful to God. Very grateful to God. Very proud of all your accomplishments. But the most important is when I see a picture of you carrying your daughter, when I see a picture of you holding your nephews, when I see you coaching David's team. See, that's what matters. On our deathbed, that's what's going to matter. Those moments. It's not the house, it's not the businesses, it's not the cars, it's not the stuff, but it's that time that we spent with our loved ones. That's what truly matters. It's that time that we gave of ourselves and we unconditional loved those that may be the unlovable, and that's okay. Happy birthday. Happy 29th birthday. I hope and trust that God continues to use your life to do abundantly more than you can imagine or even think. Happy birthday, Junior. I love you, Mom. Thank you.